I'm not going to finish that. Hold on. Let me get the rest off over here, and then I'll also do the bridge of the nose. See, look at that shimmer, y'all. It's a very shimmery. Same thing on the bulbous part of the chin. And I'm just going to blend that over to the cheek. Now I'll come and finish that out. That was too much on the first stroke, so always, use whatever's left on the brush on the other side, then come out and blend it out, or you'll just be blending in so much darker. Maybe a little right there. A little right there. This is right in front of this. Do you see that? And so you want to go right in front of it. The pinker tone's in front of the darker tone. That looks a little more intentionally blended. And again. Here. So I've done my whole face. And really, if I wanted to, I could take this and put it on my lips. I use Chanel because it lasts all day long. But if you had like a lip gloss on and wanted to just pat that into your lips, it would give color. This pinkish tone, shimmer tone, also could be used for a shadow easily if you like a shimmer tone. So I think this is great. I absolutely love it. I will definitely use it for travel, so I'm putting the little plastic piece back in. It has a big mirror on it, so it's great for travel. So this is a really good, it's full face. It's eyes and cheeks, and I don't feel like I need any additional blush because that pink tone does very, very well. Y'all, did I actually make it? Does that say 12? No, it's 13. I didn't. I never make it in one video. I need to reset that thing. I don't know how. I need to read. Okay, well, since I'm here anyway, I might as well get me an eyelash curler. And get my little, by the way, y'all, I'm enjoying my new keyboard. Actually, I don't need an eyelash curler today. I just need to touch up. My mascara already did it. But I got a little powder on it, so I need to kind of go back and touch up because I should have powder on it now. Why did I do my mascara first? Oh, there's a little hair. See, the spoolie brush, even on your mascara wand, will always pull that out. There we go. And then underneath. I'm hearing the weirdest noise outside. Now the dogs are hearing it, so it's kind of concerning me. Okay, for some reason this is a little gloopier than usual. It's never ever been. Alright, hair. Stop it. Right, that's a little better. My lashes are all a little catty-wop today. I don't know what's going on. And when I say catty-wopped, I mean wonky-jawed. I don't even know what wonky-jawed means, so I'll take that back because I don't know what that means. But catty-wop means they're going all which way, and that means they're going in different directions. Why don't I start just saying what I mean instead of using all these? Yeah, there's one. It's one, but it's crossing over the other ones, so it looks like I got a bunch of crisscrosses on my lashes, which is very weird looking. Let's see if I go really slow. Yes, sometimes if you go really slow, that did fix it, by the way. And pull through, it will straighten out. Oh, weird situation with your lashes. And that's all I'm gonna do. Remember how I said sometimes just when enough's enough. That's just like, it's like I'm done. It's as much as I'm gonna do. And that's just kind of where I'm at. So right there. And sometimes when you go slower, you have more control on bending the lashes where you want to. So I slowed down. I also had a good bit of fallout, so I think I should not have done a mascara beforehand. And of course we know I have a dual fiber brush for fallout, which means it's usually darker and denser, more dense on the bottom. And so you can easily flick away fallout. Whether it's shadow fallout or mascara fallout. This is mascara fallout. Man, I wasn't very precise either. I got it all over me. Did y'all ever do that? And it's also a good blender, so you can just blend with this. It flicks off little crumbs, but then it also blends in good. Y'all, I'll put my, for my base, I put my, what am I trying to say? I put my moisturizer on in my base, which people say you can do. Whenever I do, it looks thick like this. And when I say thick, I mean it really creases bad. And then if you're older and you add powder to set it, you look really old. So this was not a way to do this. So here's your lesson for the day, what not to do. Don't do like Beth. She's just here trying to, and don't forget your little makeup towel, because it just makes it where you can just wipe things off your fingers. Should I do a little powder? I bet I'm going to be sorry if I do. Should I though? I feel kind of sticky. Maybe I'll just stay sticky. You know, I just noticed the Sigma Blush Cheek Palette and the Highlight Palette are the same palette. One's in pink and one's in gold. Let's look inside. Oh, they're very different. Very different. So I definitely would say get both of these. These are both from Sigma Beauty. This is the Blush Palette. This is the Sculpt Palette. This is for cheeks. This is for highlight and contouring. And they are both very, can I do it that way? How about I just squeeze them in like that? Can you see? Yeah, these are both really great. You could just as easily use this palette for your whole face. Because again, you've got highlight, you've got a warm crease color, and you've got a dark. So you could, but you couldn't do the brow. Whereas this one, definitely with that darker color, where am I? There. You could do the brow with that and line with that. So that it is a little bit different. I would take this one. Because I certainly feel like I have enough pink. I don't need any more pink. I really do. But these are two great palettes, y'all. Maybe I should do those at Christmas. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I'm going to keep this in my dressing area. That's how easy that is. I really like it. Okay, y'all. I guess that's everything. And I got on everything I need. So now I'm ready for the day. What do y'all think? Oh, look how I've got these gold earrings and these silver necklaces. Oh, well. I mix silver and gold, so why not? But anyway, that's my look for the day. I hope y'all enjoy it. And I'll see you again soon. Bye!